Hi folks, meteorologist Michael Wilhite here with Southern Indiana weather. It is a severe weather alert day around the area, so make sure you have a plan in place, folks. Here's a live look at radar at 8:17 a.m. Eastern Time as I'm recording this. Plenty of watches and warnings out to our west. The red here is a tornado watch that's out there. Actually, they're probably going to expand that. This yellow circle that's up here is indicating the area where they're thinking about expanding that watch into, and you can see it's building closer. Yellow here, boxes here, severe thunderstorm warnings. Red boxes here, tornado warnings. You can see multiple watches and warnings coming up and down this line. This will move our area later today. Now, the tornado risk going to be stronger to our south, but we're certainly not out of the woods for it. But I do think damaging straight line winds are going to be the bigger threat today. Let me show you what the SPC is currently thinking right now. They've placed us under an enhanced risk for severe weather around the area. Let me zoom in on this. You can see it a little bit better. Pretty much all of southern Indiana from close to Indianapolis on south is under that risk now. But notice how close the moderate risk is. Goes down here as far as Paducah, so it's inching up on us. If we take a look at our probabilities, what we can expect here are your tornado probabilities, and you can see that those strong probabilities, well, they are inching pretty close to the area, a little too close for comfort, to be quite honest. The hatched black area here indicates where significant tornadoes, EF2 and higher, they think is the highest probability to strike. So we're certainly not at zero, but I do think it's going to be a wind threat, mainly for us, though. The damaging winds is what prompted the enhanced risk for us, as you can see, 30% for wind. Hail much less, only a little small chunk of the area down in the hail probabilities. But the bottom line, there's an enhanced risk of severe weather all over today, and whether you're in slight, enhanced, moderate, it's all just a term. The reality is we could have some severe weather today. Let me quickly time this out for you on future radar, show you where we're going at here. Here we are about 8 o'clock in the morning. It's all well to our west. There's really nothing going on here. This isn't really taking place. Sometimes the high-res data puts little showers up there that aren't, so just kind of ignore that, but look at what's going on out to our west here and watch this move through. Wave starts to move through here, maybe just some light showers, but really doesn't start to come through our way until early afternoon. Here's by 1 o'clock Eastern this afternoon, noon Central, and you can see there it is knocking on our door. That starts to move through, and it's really going to be the afternoon and evening hours. In fact, the high-res data suggests it might even try to congeal into a line here later in the afternoon hours by, say, about 5 or 6 o'clock tonight as it starts to roll through. And then it's gone. And then maybe a little bit of some showers behind it, but those are probably not going to be much of anything to write home about. By the time 8 or 9 o'clock is gone tonight, it's all gone out there. So it's primarily going to be an afternoon into early evening event from the way things look right now. I'd say the best timing for us would be, say, between 1 and 6 o'clock tonight is kind of what I'm thinking right now, but we'll fine-tune that as the day continues to roll on, whether things speed up or slow down. Already an active start to the day, so folks, you'll want to keep weather aware today. Again, an enhanced risk of severe weather all across the area. As you can see, enhanced risk here in the orange, and it goes all the way from Indianapolis pretty much on south. Moderate there, getting a little bit too close for comfort. More updates will come from the SPC today. Of course, I'll be here updating you every once in a while on the page, so just keep it tuned here. Folks, find a way, a good way to have severe weather warnings get to you today, whether that be keeping your TV station on because you know they'll interrupt. I'll have the warnings up here as best I can on social media, folks, but I don't have anything to automatically do that. I have to type those in, so that response, the lead time on that may not be as much. And you know how Facebook works. Sometimes it just doesn't work out that great. You might just have to go to the page and refresh it, folks. The best way to do it, if there's a way to do it, just turn your TV on, listen to your local stations that way. The other thing that you can do, radio stations, of course, will have them on. And, of course, maybe a better way for us with our smartphones, go to the Weather Channel or AccuWeather, something like that, and sign up for text alerts for your county, and it will go right to your email. Just make sure that you have a way to get that as a notification. There are several ways that you can do that, folks, but no matter what you do, find a way today to be able to have those severe weather warnings. This is the strongest risk that we have had since August, folks, so take this seriously. Hopefully there will be nothing bad that does happen today. I hope it's a complete bust, but the reality is not starting out that way already. So keep an eye to the sky today, and I'll have more updates throughout the day, folks. It looks like it could be a bad day for someone in the area, especially down to our south. Let's hope it doesn't get too bad around here, but I'll be here throughout the day, folks. Next update, probably by noon.